For beginners, how to create your first Pinterest board. What's up, guys? Today, I'm going to show you how to create your first Pinterest board. Pinterest is a great platform for discovering and saving inspiration, and it's also a great way to grow your business. So whether you're a blogger, a small business owner, or just someone who loves to get inspired, this video is for you. Step 1. Create a Pinterest account. The first step is to create a Pinterest account. If you already have a Facebook or Google account, you can use those credentials to sign up for Pinterest. Otherwise, just enter your email address and create a password. Step 2. Choose a board name. Once you've created your account, you'll need to choose a name for your first board. This can be anything you want, but it's a good idea to choose a name that reflects the content you'll be pinning. For example, if you're a fashion blogger, you might create a board called Fashion Inspiration. Step 3. Add pins to your board. Now it's time to add pins to your board. You can find pins by searching for keywords or by browsing through Pinterest's suggested boards. When you find a pin you like, click the Pin It button. Step 4. Customize your board. You can customize your board by adding a description, changing the background image, and adding collaborators. You can also choose to make your board private or public. Step 5. Promote your board. Once you've created your board, you can promote it by sharing it on social media or by adding it to your website. You can also use Pinterest ads to reach a wider audience. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you want hands-on help with your social media content and strategy, reach out to our team at Amplify Social Media and schedule a call. We would love to help.